tortillas for Cinco de Mayo. So what does Miss Garcia have in her hand?
Maseca!
Maseca, and that's flour that has some kind of ingredients that make tortillas. Then there's a little bit of salt that we're going to add. So we're taking our maseca and we are taking our salt, which are going to be our dry ingredients, and we are going to add liquid so we can make a paste. Then, when we have our paste, I'm going to give you a ball and you are going to roll it with a rolling pin. So let's see how this goes. She's going to put the water into the maseca. And with her hands, she's gonna do something called kneading. So she's mixing, but at the same time, she's kneading the dough. So this flour, maseca, is going to become the stuff we make tortillas out of. Yes. So all of you are going to get a little bit and roll out a tortilla. So we're going to see how well we can be tortilla makers. Let's see if we're gonna be. Let me cut out some wax paper.
Like this.
And let's see who the first person that's going to sit quietly, that person is gonna be the first one to get their masa ball. And that ball is going to be rolled with the rolling pin. So let's see. So she's put in the salt, she put in the flour, she's adding the water to our dry ingredients, and then we're going to give you a dough ball. I think maybe Sierra is sitting quietly. I think maybe Sierra will be our first tortilla maker. So right now, Sierra, hold on, hold this tight. Miss Garcia is gonna put a masa ball on your wax paper, and then I'm gonna cover it with more wax paper, and you're gonna take this rolling pin and you're gonna roll it over until you squash it and make a tortilla. So let's see if this is gonna work, our experiment. Let's see. So here comes the ball. Here comes the masa ball. Okay, everybody watch. Sierra, put it on your paper. Then we're gonna cover it with more paper. Okay, Sierra, here's your rolling pin. And you're gonna roll it out and you're going to try and make a tortilla. So roll it from one side. Oh, good, she knows to turn it. Let's turn it a little bit. And she's going to try to make it into a tortilla. So then we could eat our tortilla with some beans or with some carne. Ooh, we can make a taco.
And my favorite, taco.
Who likes tortillas? A yummy tortilla. Look at Sierra. Oh, keep rolling. Roll right here. Just roll right here a little bit more, because now you're making it round. Look at that. What? She made a tortilla. Is Sierra a good tortilla maker?
Yeah.
Can we give Sierra a round of applause? Can we give Miss Garcia a round of applause? Yay! And we're going to see who our next tortilla maker is going to be. Oh, how exciting.